Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the 48-hour Bravo pH order and informed consent. Next, make sure the recorder is charged and paired to the monitor so data will stream. Set out the endoscope, deployment catheter, and local anesthetic. Those items let you move immediately to placement. Once ready, position the patient upright, instruct them to avoid swallowing air, and apply topical anesthetic to the oropharynx. This avoids delays and gets you straight into device insertion and deployment. You now advance the endoscope and identify the measurement point about 6 cm above the gastroesophageal junction. This placement standardizes results. Once visualized, feed the deployment catheter through the working channel, align the capsule tip against the mucosa, and trigger the attachment mechanism according to the device steps. After deployment, withdraw the scope carefully, then check the external recorder for a strong initial signal and timestamp pairing. If signal is weak, recheck proximity and recorder orientation. You finish by giving clear patient instructions. Avoid MRI, strenuous activity, and certain antacids per protocol. Failure to follow these rules can corrupt data or dislodge the capsule. Make sure they understand how to keep a symptom diary and press the recorder's event button when they feel reflux. After the 48-hour window, retrieve the recorder and download the trace. If data gaps appear, check time sync and battery before analysis. If persistent, consider signal interference or improper initial attachment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.